Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope you all have been doing well. Today we're just going to be doing an easy Kente cloth inspired nail art tutorial. Everything I use will be on the screen as well as instructions. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Now you come into my yard, uninvited. When you see me on the edge, you know. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I won't wait for you, for you. I won't wait for you. I will wait for you. I won't wait for you. For
The black is going to serve as the background color for our Kente cloth. And the great thing about Kente cloth is that there are so many variations and patterns and color choices. If you Google Kente cloth, you will see so many options. There is no right or wrong way to do it. It's just most of the more basic Kente patterns are made up of lines and dots and dashes, and there is no right or wrong way to do it. Our Kente pattern is going to be drawn on with white gel polish, and some other items that you're going to need to do this will be a mixing palette, a dotting tool, and a long liner brush. I would go for a more thin brush just to have those thinner, more crisp lines when you draw your pattern on. So like I stated earlier, there is no right or wrong way. Here is an example of a Kente cloth. And as you see, there are just lines and dashes and dots and triangles. So you can draw pretty much whatever you want to make your Kente pattern. The options are pretty much just limitless. There's so much you can do with colors and patterns and designs. So I decided to go in with two different patterns, just something different on the index finger, but again, it's the same concept, just lines and dashes and dots pretty much.
yeah, I find what I gave you what you needed. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me that you guess that. I try to need you, but I need some last time.
So here's our final look. We're just going to cure this for 60 seconds and then go in with our no wipe top coat to seal everything in. So here we have our look. Everything has been cured. I went back in with a hand file just to crisp up the shape a little bit. But other than that, everything is all set to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon.